Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about Tesla stock. Now, over the past couple of days, we've had crazy sell-off from it, over 23% from the all-time highs. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down, should you buy it? Should you stay away from it? Is there better opportunities somewhere else in the market? So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you get anything in value, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course, and you guys can use promo code dividends to get 50% off. We talk about fundamental technical analysis, taxes, how to find undervalued stock, REITs, dividends. We pretty much talk about it all, and I'll put a link to that down below. So now, Tesla stock, here we come, roll the intro, let's go. Bam. Now, for those of you that don't know what Tesla is, you must be living under a rock, because Tesla is one of the largest electric car manufacturers in the United States. And over the past year, the company's been growing at a very, very rapid rate, making it sought after for investors, making this stock skyrocket up in value, almost hitting $1,000 per share before selling off a little bit over the past couple of weeks. So now a lot of beginner investors have been messaging me saying, Carter, I'm selling my Tesla shares. This is the worst thing ever. You know, what's going on? What's going on? Well, I just want to tell you, we've had some crazy volatility in the market over the past couple of days because of the Fed's interest rates. That's pretty much it. And yes, there is some fundamentals going on with Tesla with high price to earnings, but a lot of that stuff will pass by. The reason why I think that is because when Amazon was trading for $700, I know I brought this up, but when Amazon was trading for $700, they had a price to earnings at $3,200. And that's a very, very high price to earnings. And a lot of people at the time thought, oh my gosh, Amazon is overvalued. Why should you buy it? You know, this is a terrible investment. But now, looking back, you know, a couple years later, you'd have been almost foolish not to buy it and just hold it for the long term. And I have a very, very similar mindset with Tesla when it comes to that. You know, everybody wants to talk about how Tesla is overvalued, but they've missed out on so much opportunity with it. It doesn't make sense. So now me personally, I really think that Tesla is not going anywhere anytime soon. Tesla got put in the S&P 500. It's had very, very solid earnings over the past couple of years. And I obviously believe the overall momentum is totally shifting towards electric automobiles. And with Tesla pretty much being the front runner in that sector, I think they're really gonna thrive in that spot. So now, what is a proper investment strategy for Tesla? Should you put up one lump sum investment? Should you try to time it? What should you do? Well, if you guys know who I am, you know I am a huge dollar cost averager. You know, what this is instead of putting up one lump sum, you would invest smaller increments. So if let's say you wanted to invest $1,000 into Tesla, that's your total amount you want to invest in. Well, you can still invest $1,000, but what you would do is invest $100 a week over the next 10 weeks or 10 months, whatever you guys want. What that does is it gets a good average price for that time period. So if Tesla continues to go up in value, you still make money because the stock price is going up. But the beauty of it is when Tesla falls, you average down that price and you make a lot more money when Tesla recovers. It's a beautiful way for beginners to try to just get started with investing, and I highly recommend it. This is why I think Tesla is a perfect dollar cost averager. You guys can see the total amount invested is around $1,400 or around, you know, $100 a month, and then $3,000 total. So you'd have more than doubled your money with Tesla, and that's not even timing it. That's just trying to invest every single month at the same time. Now that we kind of understand that, let's actually go ahead and look at the chart. Look at some support, resistance, price target, so let's go. Alrighty guys, so we have ticker symbol TSLA. This is Tesla, but look at the growth. Lows here at around 187, highs here at $900, selling off to 600. So yes, we are still on an upward trend. Really, the only thing that I see bad about this is we did get a break of the 200 moving average line, which has a tendency to act as support when the stock is above it and resistance when the stock is below it. So you guys can see in the past, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. But now we did get that sell off here. So this yellow line is going to act as resistance here. Now, another thing, why aren't you guys buying more of this? You know, we had this crazy sell off. It's at a 28 on the RSI. And pretty much any time this stock has fallen undervalued, we've gotten buying pressure, especially in the past. Over the past, couple of weeks, we've had this crazy sell-off, but that just brings so much opportunity to invest. So the main question is Tesla stock going to continue to sell off? Well, like I said, it's very hard to try to time the market and judge it. I don't know if the stock's going to go up or down, but I understand that over the past couple of years, this stock does have an upward trend, a lot of long-term potential, and they have solid fundamentals. So I really believe that we're going to look back a couple years later and wish we bought some at $600. And the beauty of it, like I said with that strategy, use Tesla's volatility to your advantage. Use these sell-offs, average your prices up or down, whatever that may be, because looking back, I can almost guarantee we're going to wish we bought more of this stock here. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Don't forget to check out my course and dividends. Use promo code dividends. So we'll see you later. Take care.